The other day, baby girl's hair was looking like all's my life I had to fight. So I decided to detangle. Now, I always detangle before washing her hair. And me styling her hair is a 2-day process. So the first day I'm detangling, I'm using the detangling brush, a mister, and I'm using this conditioner from Davinas. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. Davinas. It is so good. The slip is amazing and it smells really good too. Anyways, I am heavy-handed with the spray bottle and I spray that on. I add the conditioner and I detangle using the comb. Now, what helps both me and baby girl when I'm doing her hair is when I twist her hair at the root and then start combing it out. That way I'm not pulling or tugging or causing her any pain. She has never cried whenever I've done her hair. I don't know if it's just because she watches the iPad when I do her hair or that I don't cause her any pain. Either way, I've never had any complaints. Once I detangle, I do a 2-strand twist, and I'm not doing any perfect lines because, listen, we're gonna wash her hair later on anyway. Just look at that slip, y'all. That slip is insane. I'm looking at this video right now and I could definitely tell baby girl has fine hair. Just like her mama. My hair is very fine just like hers. But we gotta love a good 4C hair because you won't be able to tell. Another way I like to detangle is actually separate in chunks like this and then use the detangler brush. I twist at the root and then I use a detangler brush and comb it all out. Before the age of 1, I never really styled her hair very often. I just let it mat up. I let it do its own thing. You know, when she was born, she came out with a full head of hair for sure. But then after a while, the sides just completely came off. She was looking like Mr. T straight up. Like, if you know, you know. Okay? And I was wondering, when in the world is the back gonna grow out? And just like overnight, it just grew and grew. And I'm just glad that I was patient. But y'all, her hair is so juicy and so curly and so moisturized now. Yo, you gotta love a good conditioner and water mix. So this is the last twist before we do bath time and the wash day routine. And then after I wash her hair, we're just gonna let it rock out till the next day because I don't have the time or the patience to do everything in one day. So next day is here. We are using aloe vera from the plant today to add a nice hold, a light hold. I start parting the back up. I have the style that I want to give her in my head, and I usually do cornrows in the back because it's just so much easier for me to do. The more I started doing cornrows, the better I got at it, y'all. It is incredible how good I am. I was never this good, but I'm very proud of myself. I detangle some more, I add aloe vera, and then I begin the cornrow. And do you see those curls popping? Because I do, and it's beautiful. I think the key to a really good cornrow is taking small pieces of hair every time you go to the next thread, if that makes sense. I feel like the smaller the better. It looks more intricate. The braids are more defined. And usually when I braid her hair in small cornrows like this, it usually lasts up to 2 weeks max. Definitely 1 week. I would say between 1 and 2 weeks. You know, she's a very active baby, so a lot of times it just ends up looking crazy after 2 weeks. Towards the end of the cornrow, I usually do 2-strand twists because it's easier to unravel when it's time for another wash day. So yeah, I always 2-strand twist the ends of her braids every single time. But yeah, this has been my life, doing her hair and healing my inner child. Because I don't know about y'all, but doing my hair when I was a kid, I hated it. I absolutely hated it. It was a painful experience for me, and I never liked doing my hair. But I'm glad to know that she is having a positive experience and she welcomes this, and she's not crying when I do her hair, and I love that for her, and I love that for me. I feel like, having this baby has it has taught me so much about myself. So here is the finished look. A half up, half down braided updo with a cute little bang in the front. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and comment down below and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Hopefully the blurs weren't too distracting, but y'all, I ain't trying to show my baby's face like that. So I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.